Hello, colleagues. Welcome back to our Friday 5 and 5. What a wet and rainy week it has been. The first tip I'm going to talk about, sometimes you add an image to a Firefly page and the text is so small that you can't read it. But here I've got an image, look, and when I click on it, it will open up the image and I can see it. Now, how did I do that? By the way, this is the new sort of theme that we're playing around with at the moment within Firefly. If I go to edit page and then choose a space where I want the image, but don't click on image. Seems a bit strange, but really what you want to do is add it as a gallery. So I select the files from my computer. Let's have a look at this risks and benefits of AI. Quite a text heavy image. Maybe students or parents can't see the image or can't see the text on the image, but you can click on it to make it larger. Uploading, taking a little bit of time actually. Maybe it's the rain affecting the Wi-Fi, and I click add gallery. And then now when I've got that image there and I click done, you can see text is quite small, but when I click on it, it makes it a larger version of the image. All right, next, talking about text, I'm just going to drop over to my phone. There's a new feature that's occurred, AI feature within Photos. And I really love this one. When you take a picture of a plant, it will now, when there's like a little I button that occurs, like 3 dots I, or at the bottom will be I. So I'm going to go to my photos here. Now, it's weird. You can't, I don't know why Apple do this, but you can't see the I button on my screen, but on my phone, I've taken the picture, look, and I've clicked on the I button. It's down there. It's probably a bit blurry, but when I press the I button, it analyzes the photograph and then tells me, so when I click on I, it tells me what plant it is, and I can then click on the link that's there and it gives me instructions on how to take care of the plant. Love it. Whilst we're on my phone, there's something called text replacement, and I use this quite a lot. So you can type in like a little shortcut and a big piece of a text will appear there. So I'm going to click on settings and then search for text replacement, and it will give you all of this. So here are mine. I did have my bank details in there, but I removed it for this video. But I've got the school address. I've got the hyperlink to IT support desk. So when people say, hey, Brian, how do you do this? Just like, please raise that as a support ticket. But all I type in is at IT and it will fill in that text for me. So here's an example. You can see I've just been playing around with it. So if I go to here and just put BPS, what will happen is I can put the whole school address in there. Or if I type in at IT, then that's the hyperlink for the support ticket. So use the text. If you've got text that you're using or typing in on a regular basis, your email address and things like this, then use the text replacement to save you a little bit of time in your life. Okay. Very quickly, on the Firefly homepage, there is, or on the dashboard, if I go to the dashboard up here, there is the ability for you to book people, book our photographers, book Jack, our cross-campus IT technician. So under services, you've got people booking down here, and it gives you the ability to book them. So here you've got librarians. So let's have a look at school photographers. You click on this and you fill in the time slot that you want them to come to your classroom or take pictures of your the work that's going on, whatever it is. Choose a slot, and then that will send an email and book them. I think that, let me have a little look at the time, we've still got a little bit of time. That's brilliant. Okay, snipping tool. I want to go into the snipping tool, and I do think this is the fastest way for you to be able to send instructions to somebody on how to do something. You can see you've got your normal snipping tool for an image, but now you've got video. You click on video, click on new, it asks you to select the area, and then you go, right, okay, sorry, that was the image. Let me go to video, click new, and then select the area. So let's select the area. I do my explaining of whatever this is. I can do that with audio if I want as well. I click stop. It will then give me that video itself. I can copy it, go into an email, and then send it, or Teams, whatever I want, Control V. And there is the image of me explaining something. Okay, All right, perfect. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.